This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Coinbase wallet app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, I'm gonna show you three methods today in order for you to fix the issue. So first thing that you will do is go to your Google Play Store guys, and then from here just search for Coinbase wallet. And from here, just tap on the application. And guys, make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here, guys. And now, the second solution is just go to the settings. Then over here on the settings, guys, just tap on the apps. Then once you are on the apps, you will see here all of the installed application on your phone. So just tap on a Coinbase. And then from here, just tap on storage. And guys, clear the cache and also clear data. And from there, you should be able to fix your Coinbase wallet. And guys, if that doesn't work, the, the, the third solution is just reinstall the application. So first, uninstall the application. And then after you uninstall it from your device, guys, all you have to do is go to your Google Play Store and install it again. And then from there, you should be having a Coinbase wallet app working on your device. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.